Hello, my name is Shams Ur Rahman and I am a proud engineer. I have graduated from Adichinchangiri Institute of Technology as a computer science engineer. And as an engineer, my main motive is to transform ideas into reality using the power of technology. Currently, I am an intern at IT Bridge where I am being trained for web development using the main framework React and also Nodejs. In this training, I am being trained to use the tools which the best software engineers use and also we have been learning the complete life cycle of a project in a corporate company and which has also fine-tuned my soft skills. Technically, in this course, I have successfully completed 44 assignments and 5 projects in which 3 are minor and 2 are my major projects. The purpose of this video is to explain to you about one of my major projects called Carbon Giants. Let us walk through the process of building this project. My project Carbon Giant mainly revolves around the insights and visualization of carbon dioxide emission throughout the world. I chose this project to contribute my part in the sustainability of the planet. So let's start. This project was built using 2 iterations. In the first iteration, we focused on building foundational framework. And in the second iteration, we incorporated AI's help and algorithms to analyze the data which we had collected. And the AI helped us to provide deep insights and analysis for this data. The key documents were mind map. So this is my mind map. In a mind map, the categories were divided into several parts. One is the region where we had data collected, the sector, the source, the ownership, and time. This is also one part of the mind map which I had created. After mind map, I created prototype. Prototype for getting the final look of the project before I started it, so that I set a goal for myself and aligned with it. And after prototype, we went to the analysis and design part of the project. In this, we created use case diagrams, sequence diagrams. With the help of sequence diagrams, we got to know the workflow of how a process is being used in the website. After that, we created ER diagrams, which you can see here, and we created tables for the better understanding of the relations and with the entities. Apart from this, we have also created pseudocode so that we understand the logic and it is written in English, which helps us to understand how the code works in the website. The data we have collected is in EBJSON form. As you can see, the categories, region, and several data related to it is presented in their db.json, which we are running on a JSON server. I'll be showing you the JSON server. Here, the data DB is running on the local host 5000, which I will be showing it to you. So this is how the data is being loaded on the JSON server. Using this JSON server, my code fetches it and displays it visually on the dashboard. For that, we have used API.js. This part of the code contains the running of the server, JSON server, which creates an API, and we have been using fetching the data from this API. This is how the UI of my website looks like. This is the landing page and the name, Carbon Giants, which is the name of my project. And when you click Enter Website button, it takes you in the website, where we have a sidebar, we have a home section. In home section, we have several cards which we got to know by using a tool called software engineering tool called CRC cards. With the help of CRC cards, we were able to design this. And when you press each of the card, it opens up and shows you the related articles. And when you press on the articles, it takes you to the link of the articles where you can read it and gain more information. So this is the home part, dashboard part, where we can get the data presentation which is being fetched from the JSON server in the form of visualization. This visualization is done using the library called React charts. When you press on the region is being visually displayed as the top number of 4 countries which emit the carbon the most in form of bar chart and in form of pie chart and in form of line chart. So this is done for all the sectors. And and in the sector section, the energy, agriculture, fuel and transportation is being shown in form of visualization. Coming to the analytics part of it, the carbon emission dashboard is what I have created, where you can see the emission distribution among the sectors, which is also being fetched from an API. And the emission overview, the top 5 celebrities who are involved in the carbon emission, and the top contributor in the form of a country, the top contributor in form of a company, and the top most eco-friendly company. Patagonia is the most eco-friendly company. I needed to highlight this. So this is how I showed the data in form of the analytics. And in the about section, I have created the mission, the vision of the website, and also the person who created it, that is me. So the sidebar also closes up and opens. This is my website. So this is my project. Hope you all like it. While creating this project, I had a remarkable journey of learning and making a lot of mistakes, dumb mistakes, silly mistakes, and big mistakes. And I also got to rectify these mistakes. Building this project also taught me the importance of the tools which software engineers use and how it helps us to understand the workflow of a project and create a project easily without any hassle. Building this project also taught me the importance of the tools which software engineers use, and it also awakened the environmentalist side of me who wants to, care about the planet more, and I, from now on, will be more cautious about the planet. Thank you for your time. This was done by Shams. I look forward to practice all these learnings which I have learned throughout the internship, and I use it in my career field in the future. And I also want to learn, grow, and make more meaningful contributions.